direct expansions, direct expansion of products of two binomial expressions. Examples. One, expand a plus 1 into a plus 2 without showing workings. Solution. A plus 1 into a plus 2. If you want to expand this without showing working, now we look at the first term here. Looking at the first term in the first binomial expression, also the first term in the first binomial expression, we have it here. So what we are going to do is this. The first term in the first binomial expression, we are going to multiply them together. Now, that is A times A plus, now, looking at the second term in the first binomial expression and also the second term in the second binomial expression, what do? We add them together. That's 1 plus 2. Then, what letter are we dealing with in this expansion? A. We put A at the back. Then, for the constant term, what do? We multiply the two numbers. That is, we multiply the second term of the first binomial expression and the second term of the second binomial expression together. So what do we have here? This is going to be A times A squared, plus 1 plus 2. What do we have? This is 3. Plus, what do we have? 1 times 2. What do we have? That is 2. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.